After this video, you will never want to throw away your bottles again. Although this is great for recycling. There's only a couple things that you need. This life and cleaning hack is going to be a game changer for you. What you're gonna need is a bottle. I like to get myself a good old Sharpie. And you're gonna use a cutting board because you don't want to ruin your countertop. A little hack for you is put a little water underneath a kitchen towel, place your cutting board on top, and then it prevents it from sliding, which is really nice. No more chopped and cut fingers. All right, I'm just gonna create a line around the bottle. This top is a bit bigger here in the Pellegrino bottles. You'll see why in a second, why it can vary from bottle to bottle, where you make this line. The next thing that you're gonna need, by the way, this is my favorite bamboo knife holder ever. I'm gonna link anything I talk about here in the description box below from Amazon. Sleek and sophisticated. Get yourself a serrated knife and you're gonna go ahead and cut along that line that you just made. Dun, da, da, da. This cutting board is also from Amazon. All right, the next thing that you're gonna need is a little soap. If you want something all natural, we got some Castile soap right here. You can use anything really. And you're just gonna put a little dollop here in your bottle that you cut. Now, here is the secret ingredient. My husband accidentally bought these full sugar flavored Pellegrino waters. 29 whopping grams of sugar, even better. You can also use honey, vinegar, anything sweet, or anything decaying. Yes, decaying matter. If you have any of that laying around your house. Go ahead and open this baby up. You can do half water, half sugar. I'm actually just gonna use this whole soda right here. The sugarier, the better. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top off here, unscrew it, and I'm gonna place it inside of my bottle. There we go. Now, here's the key. You often can do this with a larger bottle, but it works with these small ones as well. The key is to allow some space between the liquid and your bottle top, as you can see right here. So what's gonna happen is the flies are gonna be attracted to the sugary substance inside of there. They're gonna go down, they're gonna wanna get a taste, a lick of it, and then they're gonna get trapped in the bottle. This is why you wanna add your dish soap, your detergent, is because it changes the surface tension and it increases their likelihood that they're gonna get trapped down in there. So if you love a more all-natural cleaning and life hack when it comes to insects, you definitely have to give this a try. Now you certainly could create a handle for this or just place this in spots where you tend to get a lot of flies. Let me show you in my home. This is disgusting, but it's absolutely true. Flies like to come in from my garage into my house. We have our garbage cans here for easy access. So when we come in, we have to quickly run in, shut the door, but what will be really nice is to keep one of these right here. They'll come in and they'll say, what is this delicious goodness in here? And they'll get trapped in there, and then you can just change this out as often as you need to. If you're wondering why you should put pennies in a bag, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.